Hello dear viewers and welcome back to Cybrosys. Have you guys ever find yourself creating the same spreadsheet over and over again? Odoo has a fantastic time saver which is called Spreadsheet Templates. They let you build common reports and layouts just once and reuse them instantly. Today we'll walk you through how to create, use and manage these templates. Let's dive in. First of all, let me show you how a spreadsheet is being created. So for that, first open the spreadsheet you want to save as a template. So obviously for that you have to navigate to the documents module, and then inside the documents you can see all the spreadsheets which have been created. You can either create a new one or simply open a pre-created one. So I already have a sales report over here. See, this is the spreadsheet. So here even we have data. Okay, sales commission report. So this could be a monthly budget, a sales report, or anything you use regularly. Okay. Next, you have to go to the file which is there on top of the menu bar. Okay. So click on the file and then you can select Save as Template. So here you have an option which is Save as Template. So simply click on that. Okay. So this window will pop up. Here you can modify the default template name. And if you like, okay, and give it a clear name so you can easily find it later. So I'm giving it sales commission template itself, or you can simply shorten the name and also let it be. And once you're happy with the name, you can click confirm. So congratulations, you've just created your first spreadsheet template, and here the name was already shown. Now that's how a template has been created. Let me show you how to use a spreadsheet template. So to create one using the template, so let me show you how it's done quickly. In the Documents app, you can create, let's go back to Documents first of all. And in the Documents, you can click on New and then select what? Spreadsheet. So you will see a list of available templates. So here you have the sales commission template and a blank spreadsheet. So only template which we have right now is sales commission. So find the one you just created or the other template you want to use and click on it. So this is what I want to use. I'm clicking on it. Finally, click Create, and just like a new spreadsheet is created with pre-filled layout and data you had in your template, as you can see. And you also have an alternative method for this. Okay, you can directly go to the Documents configuration. So let me show you. If you go to Documents, you have the configuration under which you have the spreadsheet templates. From there, you can find the template that you created and then simply click on new spreadsheet. Okay. So from here also, you can create a spreadsheet out of a template that you have. So notice that the new spreadsheet initially has the same name as the template that you created. So if you just click on create new, you can see it has the same name as that of the template. You can easily rename it to something specific for your current data and click on the name at the top and type in your new title. So this is the template name that has been taken from the template. You can remove it and name it according to your need. Okay, so that's how managing and editing the template works. So over time, you might want to manage or edit your templates. Okay, so obviously we'll have to manage and edit it. Going back to the spreadsheet templates. So by default, you might see only your templates. So this is my template. So if you remove the filter, you can see other templates as well. Currently, we don't have any. That's the reason why it shows only yours. Okay. So it will be showing all the templates that is available in your database. Now, to copy a template over it and click the make a copy. Okay. So here you have make a copy icon. And the new copy will appear at the bottom of the list. So I'm making a copy. You can see a copy has been made of the very same template. So obviously it will be seen at the bottom of the list. Okay, you can click on its name to edit it. So from here, you can actually edit it simply by clicking on the name. So to edit an existing template, you can hover over it and click the edit button. So here you have the edit button. This will open the template in Spreadsheet Editor. You can make any changes you need and this will be saved automatically to the template. Okay. And finally, delete it. So to delete a template, select the checkbox. I'm going back to the template. You have the checkbox over here. Okay. So select the checkbox next to it and click on the actions button at the top and then choose the delete. Okay. So be careful as this will permanently remove the template. So I'm going to delete it permanently. Okay. And that's how you delete it. So right now you all know how to create a template, how to edit it, how to make a copy out of it, how to make a new spreadsheet out of it, as well as to delete it. Okay. So and that's all it. That's all about it. And you know how to create, use, and manage spreadsheet templates in Odoo. This simple features can save you countless hours and ensure consistency in your reporting. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how we are using templates. So thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next Odoo tip.